Alright. Alright, I'm so tired still, but good morning. I'm gonna take my face mask off and turn my lamp on and go open my blinds. It's literally 6 a.m. and I'm tired. So let's go get ready because today I'm going to the beach and having a beach day. So yes. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get dressed real quick. I'm gonna wear let's see, I don't know what swimsuit, but I need a cute one, of course. I'm gonna take this hoodie off. Okay, that's not cute. Let's see. That's kind of cute. Okay. I actually don't really honestly don't know what to wear. So I honestly think I'm gonna go to the little swim boutique and just get a new swimsuit because I really don't have one right now. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna get my little sweater on. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this on and my hair is basically done. I just put it in a bow, put some jewelry on. Now I'm just gonna go and get a swimsuit. I'm gonna get dressed there, so let's pack my bag here. So let's see. My beach bags. This one's kind of cute, but alright, I kind of like that one, but this one's cute. Alright, I'll wear this one. Alright, let's go. Get me a swimsuit. I think this is my brush. Nope. I keep getting these mixed up. This is my correct. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go find a cute swimsuit. Yay! I love shopping. That's one thing about me. It's kind of bad. I'm love shopping so much. And I'm kind of crazy about it. So I'm so excited right now. As you can see, I just hit my mailbox. Oh, almost ran a red light. Alright. I love shopping and I love getting new swimsuits. So you don't even understand how excited I am. So yes, I know they have some really cute ones. It's a red light. Okay, no one's even coming. I don't even care. I'm too excited. I'm just gonna go. That's so illegal, but oh well. I think it's over here. Yes, sunset clothing. Let's go. The man is in the parking spot, so I'm just gonna park right in front. I'm gonna lock my car so no one steals it. Alright. I saw this one. It was really cute. But let's just look around a little more. That top was cute. I also really like this top. Let's try it on. Oh, that's pretty cute. I don't really like the shape. It's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't. What about this one? That one's cuter. I think I like this one. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna wear it. Okay, and buy it. Alright. I'm literally just gonna wear it, so okay. Let's go to the beach now. Literally just right across the street. I'm gonna go to this parking over here. There's so many people always at the spawn area. That's where everyone comes to Berry Avenue first, so. I just moved here yesterday, so it's like new to me. I don't really know where to park, so I'm just gonna park in this like. I'm just gonna go right here because this looks like a good area. Right. Cute. I love this. This is so cute. Okay. I'm gonna take my bag off because I'm literally just gonna go jump in. Oh my gosh, guys. I forgot. I have to wear my sandals, of course. Alright, those sandals are good. Alright, I'm literally gonna go somewhere now. Oh yeah, I gotta get my paddleboard from the car. Paddleboard. It's an electric one. I'll place it right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Woo! I'm just learning how to do this, so this is like new. This is so crazy and fun. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's someone there. What is she doing in my area? Okay, she left. I don't want to go far out. This is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait, I want to go look at the giant yacht. Oh my gosh, this is like a whole cruise. This is crazy and huge. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna turn. Wait, is that a... Oh, I thought that was a jet ski. I was like, no way. Oh my gosh, there's a jet ski. No actual way. Oh my gosh, I literally want to rent it. I'm just gonna like park this here. Just like, you know, just trade it out. Yes, a big jet ski. Let's go. Woo, this is so much better than a paddleboard. Oh my gosh. Wait. Where's my car? Hold up. Pause. Where's my car? Oh, it got deleted. It's okay. Oh, because that is like a car. Oh, okay. Alright, guys, I'm getting hot, so I'm gonna go like sit in the shade for a minute and just relax. It's so relaxing. I love the beach so much. This beach is way better than Brookhaven Beach. The Brookhaven Beach is like, and they have a community pool, which is like even more. But this beach is like way better than a community pool and everything. So I literally love. So nice and so relaxing. I literally just love it here. So yeah, okay, I'm kind of done. I'm getting like really hot. So I'm just gonna, my bag is in the car. I have my bag in here, so I'm kind of done. So I'm just gonna go home now. Just gonna go home and relax. Oh my gosh, traffic is crazy. Oh my gosh, guys, you see that Lamborghini just crashed? That's actually crazy. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.